Everybody loves French fries. However, we all know that they aren't the healthiest. So, we've come up with this healthy zucchini fries recipe to enjoy those cravings without guilt and sneakily get some vegetables in. Start by preheating the oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a cooling rack and place it on a baking tray. Set aside. In a mixing bowl, add the whole wheat flour, garlic powder, and salt, then stir to combine. Pour the milk in another bowl, then add the whole wheat breadcrumbs in a separate one. Coat each zucchini with the flour mixture, dip into the milk, then coat with the breadcrumbs. Place them on the cooling rack, then bake for 20 minutes. Serve with a dipping sauce of your choice and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.